Stupid. Hello? All right. Dang, APHA and Sandal both gapping up 30%. What the hell is that? Wow, I really fucked up by not doing any MJs. Of course, that's been story of my life recently, so no surprise there. All right, Zoom looks like nothing. It's just MJs right now. I guess I did get some PL NHF, but that ain't no APHA. Fuck, man. That's crazy. I didn't even get Sandal yesterday. I got nothing. Jesus. These things are still going too. Oh, EXPI taking a shit. There goes my big dog. Hey, Rob. You sandal having bastard. I'm sure you got sandals. ITX, yeah. Well, then I'm making up for, yeah, nice. Looks good, man. You don't have sandal? Come on. I don't have sandal. That's not a surprise. You should have sandal. APHA too, man. Look at that thing. I don't know. These MJs, man, freaking crazy. I wonder if they'll consolidate. I mean, we never quite know, do we? Yeah, VFF gapping up. Everything else not doing too much. Looks like it's mostly just MJs. Microsoft's doing okay. Another new high for Microsoft. EXPI dragging me down at the moment. Let's see what's actually not working. SI down 7. FLGT. Are these done? These may be done. They don't look done. That don't look done. SIs still don't look done. GBTC. AMD, Amazon, all flat. Cyber flat. Looks like NASDAQ gapped up to sell off. KGKG with a crazy 50% day yesterday. AYRRO appears to be curling up. Like a pocket pivot and a couple of other good candles right here. Setting up, whatever this is. What is this one? Auto manufacturers worth $232 million. EPS is 77% this year. Not looking too bad here. Let's see what they make. Oh, they make those little delivery vans. Yeah, they make little delivery vans. They make these little electric trucks. Little three-wheeler. And a club car, which is kind of just like a little guy. And then they have some concept cars, off-road 4x4s. Okay, so interesting. You share it, Ellie. Unless you want me to show the screenshot? All right, PLNHF up 17 right there. MJ looks like they're holding relatively strong. SNDL, man, I feel like a chump for not buying this yesterday. I've sat on so many of these bases and not done it. Like, you guys need to kick my ass when I see something and I don't buy it. Didn't buy net. That's looking pretty good. The ones I do have aren't doing much. Donkey Kong. Still looking pretty good though. And then Microsoft moving tidbits, not moving needles though. Needs to start moving needles. And then Microsoft trying to go higher. Looks like it likes to pull back and chill, but it's doing okay so far. CELH. There's CELH. That's looking super dry. That's awesome, Ellie. I think the CELH gonna go again at some point. On NIO, yeah, I almost bought this one yesterday, which means that you should have bought it yesterday. That's what that meant. Yeah, should have bought this one yesterday. That AYRO is also a electric car NIO. I heard rumors of them getting into the U.S. market. That could propel them higher in NIO. That looks pretty good. XPEV, not too bad. Not broken down. FUV, another electric car maker. And then AYRO, a smaller electric car maker, looking pretty good. What do you mean 1%, Ellie? Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm not really in sync at the moment with the market. It's on these other ones, and I'm not on those. I'm just out of sync right now. This AYRO does look good though. NIO does look pretty good too. I want to look at this AYRO name. Had a pop here from 2 to 10. Has been consolidating that. I mean, things have been doubling. I wouldn't say 20 is out of the realm of possibility. Looks like it IPO'd up at 28 several years ago. Maybe 15. Yeah, not these days, Ellie. These days with the stocks We've been tracking, I should be balls deep in positions right now, which I guess I don't have a ton of cash, but I'm just in the wrong stuff. All right, so AYRO's got some decent possibilities here. And then let's go back to NIO. No, it sounds like these I need a swift kick in the ass, to be honest with you. Like I knew MJs were running, I just couldn't find a way in, and then I saw Sandals yesterday with this, and I still didn't pull the trigger. I'm still I'm still something. I don't know. Like I said a while ago, man. I think I just need to walk away for a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that though. All right, PLNHF up 16%. I did buy some of that, just stock though, because it's over the counter. So that's got to be up a little bit. APHA. Damn, son. You did sell, right, Ellie? I know, yeah. Swift kick in the butt, right? So, I mean, this is obviously way too extended to buy, but that would have been. And then APHA, I mentioned that too. Like you said, you bought that when I mentioned it. Oh, I thought you were sell. I asked you earlier if you're selling. You said yeah. Damn. You sold Tilray? Cool. Yeah, we saw APHA. I think it was here. I think it was in this flat consolidation right there. That's where we saw it. Yeah, you see a gap like that, man, after a run up. Yeah, you got us. Yeah, it's a good sell up there. Sell H. Sell H looking really good too. All right, Rewalk's up 3. Rewalk's doing pretty good. Rewalk's nice. APHA itself, MJ, VFF, KGKG. There's AYRO. Again, another one I'm not pulling triggers on. All right, let's pull. Volume's pretty good. It's not great, but it is good. Let's do. I got to go into 15. Hopefully, it goes past that. We can do the March 19th. 10. All right, that can fail now. What do you got? CTRM, SLRX. No, way too high. Yeah, those are already gone. Upwork's been doing pretty good lately. Look at that. Upwork's got a nice cup and wow, that's pretty. Oh, that's Fubo. I thought I clicked on Upwork. Fubo's got a brilliant cup and handle. A little heavy on the left side of the cup, but which one's Fubo? Fubo's the TV name, right? Yeah, Fubo's the TV name. That's got a pretty nice cup and handle on it. Geez, that could that's obviously too deep to be a traditional cup and handle, but did you get some NIL? Okay, I gotta go through my list here real quick. Real quick. Cyber, I still have a couple of plans for this. This is looking really good. It's been tightening up the past week since a false breakout. Curling up the right side here. Does have earnings coming up really soon. Tomorrow before market. So uh, that one's tough right there. I've got FLGT on my list, but that's already pretty far gone. Trying to get rid of my list. I have Jima on the list. Oh, JMIA. All right, Jima continues on. This one looks pretty good too. Has some interesting declining volume. I'm not sure if my trade's still valid or not. Microsoft pulled in a little bit. MU. Micron, a chip maker, similar to Sox, which we haven't seen up here in a while. Let's take a look at chips for a second. Nvidia. Shit, now Nvidia's going. Look at that. I was playing it here and then got stopped out on it 2 or 3 times. I need to be more patient. Nvidia target was 765. I had it for, yeah, that wouldn't have worked out, 319. Well, still pretty good. Well, good job, Jared. Yeah, just be patient, buddy. Be patient and don't take it too heavy. Don't go too heavy because options are when you get killed or whipsawed, it kills that whole position. So just make sure that you're doing wise moves and not rushed moves. Nvidia's got a good amount of strike prices if this is gonna start rocking. It's so close to all time high at 589. All right, Sandal holding strong at 42. TLGT, not bad. Nvidia looks like it's trying to start a big move. It's got earnings though. Well, a lot of these moves that rallied up seem to kind of chill on earnings. Microsoft being an exception to that. Amazon stalled, Apple stalled. There's a big chip shortage right now, which would bode well for Nvidia. All right, FUV still looking really nice. A little bit of a pullback down to the 10-day could be a reload on FUV. We're seeing a bunch of automakers right now. Like Rob just bought NIO. There's FUV, which is still hanging out. Cell H is up 5 now. That's pretty good. PLNHF just hanging out. Selling off a little bit with some of these big ones. APHA and MJ trading off at spot number 2 next to Sandal. XPEV Zoom. I did get on some Zoom. Zoom making good moves, trying to reverse here. I did get some Zoom. I want to jump back on the Nvidia train, but I feel like I'm late again. I'm feeling it's EXPI dragging down. Yep. EXPI dragging down there a little bit. With the 2-to-1 stock split coming up on the 16th, about a week from now. It's fairly heavy volume up here. Welcome to my world, Rob. That's what happens when you make too much money, then you don't make too much money again. You get mad at yourself. Well, lately it hasn't, Rob. Historically, late is bad. Historically, late will fuck you up. But in 2021, late is the new early. What you got? PPBT. Brand new. No, just generally. Options are not. That's why I don't. That's why the rule is not to chase, Rob. That's the rule, and we're in a market that isn't respecting those rules. We're in a market that is just, it's like the easy chick in high school. It's just it doesn't happen very often. My chart isn't showing a ton of volume here. There's some nice volume on the gap up. Yeah, biotechs are weird though, man. They can go nuts. I don't really play too much in the biotech sector. It kind of has its own set of rules. Almost like this little reload on FUV. If this is as much as it's going to pull back, volume here is very, very manageable. All right, so we'll see what's dying other than my EXPI position. So right, blockchain taking it pretty big on the chin today. EXPI. Not sure if it's done, but it's had a hell of a run. SI appears to be fine. Give me assigned your MARA covered calls. Okay. So you sold a call on Mara. Why would you do that? This thing's parabolic. You don't sell a call on parabolic things. All right, Ellie. You want to do it Sunday? You actually gonna do it this time? We'll have to stick to a plan for once. We tend to talk a lot, not do a lot. GSAT. Global Star. That's very promising. Well, I'm down, Ellie. We just got we talked about it a couple times. We just haven't met up. So let's see if I have any plans for Sunday or something. If you want to do Sunday. Frickin' 5G, man. 5G, they sold it way too much. It's not even it's like 5% rolled out or 3% rolled out. There's not a lot of 5G. 5G like isn't really a thing. Like in Phoenix, there's a little bit downtown, but that's it. It's not like it's all over. All right, CELH doing good. Dude, they've been talking about 5G for 5 years. So, I mean, I don't know what hype is left in that investment. I really don't. Question I have is, do I need to eliminate some positions or rotate around? I think Donkey Kong's okay. I mean, we got earnings a little bit out. I got Donkey Kong. I got Microsoft, which is just slowly pecking its way higher, boring everybody to death, which is good. I like that. So I'm gonna try to be patient with Microsoft. I did get Zoom, which is starting to trend in the right direction. I'm not sure what I have in here. See, my AXPI has dropped a bunch on me. Yeah, Nvidia looks great, man. I looks really super. Remember I was buying it over here. I got whipsawed out by a bunch of these whipsaws, and yeah. Now it does have earnings coming up on the 24th, so it's got a little bit of time to go if it wants to go. That's 2 weeks from now. So yeah, it's on that precipice, man. It's gonna pop or it's gonna drop or it's gonna fake you in. I don't know, but Nvidia's. I mean, it's a real deal, man. It's freaking Nvidia. This ain't no joke. So I think I'm gonna take my Nvidia position. Well, it'd be half a position. I don't really have a full position right now. Oh yeah, dude, they're killing it. They're killing it. So I'm thinking June, Ellie. I'm thinking June. Give it like 100. Give it a while to work. These things are gonna go. So I think June. I mean, you look at June. You look at the 515 is 142. The 660 is 175. So you really can't go wrong with any strike price on the June. I don't think. I think I'm just gonna go with the 600. All right, Nvidia can pull back now about that, which it will. It'll handily pull back now. Use me as a counter timing tool. Donkey Kong doing pretty good still. All right. Sell Tesla breaking down. Well, if you just got stock position, I don't know. I mean, you can if you want to. There's really nothing. There's nothing bad with Tesla, man. Not really. Look at the volume on it. No one is selling it. Absolutely no one is selling it. And I don't think they're going. I mean, at one point maybe they'll sell it, but I don't think so. I mean, I sold my options, but those are I've got a small Tesla position. I'm just gonna hold. I need to increase it. It's like 1% of my account. I probably should increase it to maybe I'll increase that to 10. Maybe I'll increase. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, I will say this about Tesla. There's a guy on Twitter. I mentioned him here before. I actually really respect the dude. I really like this dude. Um, Name's Gary. Uh, anyway, he sold his Tesla basically based on them buying Bitcoin. That was basically why. But yeah, all right, guys, I gotta go a little bit early here. Usually bail out 8:05, 8:10. I got a couple things to do. Make sure the kids are in school today. So I'm gonna bounce. You guys have a good day. Keep the market up. Market's up 0.52. MJ's nice to have a pullback to load up on those motherfuckers, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. So yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, what's today? Thursday? Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.